about the Strong Bodies by Tish program. I met Tish 4 years ago on a spin bike, and it was a hard class, but I was hooked. I've been doing boot camps with her for 4 years now, and every week it hurts, and every week it's different, and it's awesome. I've also trained with her while I was pregnant, and she modified as I needed them, which is amazing, and then post-baby as well. The biggest thing with me and her post-baby was the fact that she helped change my mindset. She taught me to trust the process, that it takes time, and that our bodies can do amazing things if you let it and trust it. And don't feel guilty about it either, which is the biggest thing for me. I also, of course, tweaked a little bit of nutrition, which she helped me with, by the way, and things just started changing. I am the smallest, the fittest, and the strongest I have ever been, and who would have thought that would have happened post-baby? Not me, that's for sure. But it's because I trusted the process and I trusted Tish. Tish is so knowledgeable and amazing that she has an app and a program called Strong Bodies by Tish. It is 3 strength workouts a week and 2 HIIT workouts a week. And they're so easy and so quick that there really are no excuses. She has video tutorials for you, so you definitely know what you're doing. She has modifications if you need them. And the best part is she's there with you. You can make comments on the app and she'll get back to you and help you. As long as you have questions, she answers them. But the best part is the workouts themselves are they're crazy. They're just so hard and challenging, but they're so good and effective that they change every week. The splits change every week. It's crazy. It's crazy the results that you'll get if you put in the work. She not only believes in structure and all that stuff, which is amazing, but she also believes in balance. And that means, yes, you can still enjoy a beer, a glass of wine, or a cheat meal once a week, and you can still get the results with it. She teaches you to train your body to do that. And that's exactly what I have done, and I have gotten the results. More results than I can ever imagine, and that's just by using her program. And you have to trust the process, you guys. But her program is so well structured and so worth it that I think the program speaks for itself. Give it a try. You will not be disappointed.